Hi guys, today's video, we're going to check out the 5 best offset smoker on the market. This list was made based on our personal views and are listed based on rating, review, orders, price, quality, durability, and more. To see prices and get more info about the products shown, be sure to check out the description below. One last thing before we dive in, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell to get the latest product reviews video from the channel. Okay, so let's get started with today's video. Number 5. INLIFE Offset Smoker. This INLIFE charcoal BBQ offset smoker with bottom shelf and wood table wheeled steel frame offset temperature control barbecue grill, cooking stove, black 40.6x 23.6x 44.5 inches, LXWXH, is one of the best barbecue grill on the market today. It is made of a heavy gauge steel construction with a powder coated finish, so it is designed to withstand outdoor elements. It has a cooking surface of 438 SQ in, 34 in x 17 in. It also features a front shelf for extra storage space which keeps your food warm. The temperature setting control lets you control the cooking temperature of your food so you get exactly what you want. This grill is designed with a thick steel frame and a convenient folding side shelf for added convenience and versatility. It also has a high BTU charcoal grate for a thorough heating. It also comes with a lid thermometer for accurate temperature readings. Add some flavor to your meals with this charcoal grill. The product is overall easy to clean and maintain. Number 4. Captiva Designs Offset Smoker. Captiva Designs 28-inch all-in-one offset smoker and grill is great for outdoor cooking. Easy setup, this grill can be used as a charcoal grill, charcoal water smoker, or charcoal grill with a side smoker. The offset smoker is also great for smoking fish, cheese, or adding a smoky flavor to your outdoor dishes and recipes. The charcoal smoker and grill features a firebox made of high-quality steel with a stainless steel cooking grate for cooking, a water pan for moisture, and a smokestack for added smoke. The smoker grill is a full-featured, heavy-duty smoker and grill with a generous cooking surface. The grill is easy to assemble, use, and easy to clean. If you want to add a smoky flavor to your outdoor dishes and recipes, or if you're a person who loves grilling, you'll find this charcoal grill and smoker an excellent addition to your outdoor cooking collection. Number 3. Dyna-Glo Offset Smoker. The Dyna-Glo Signature Series DGSS 1382 VCSD Heavy-Duty Vertical Offset Charcoal Smoker and Grill is the perfect addition to any backyard for creating delicious meals for friends and family. With a 1380 SQ in cooking area and 89,700 BTUs of cooking power, this offset smoker is ideal for preparing a whole brisket, not to mention multiple racks of ribs and a bushel of fish. The offset design allows for indirect heat and easy manipulation of coals. The Dyna-Glo Signature Series features durable powder-coated steel construction, 2 heavy-duty steel racks, and a cast iron cooking grate. The smoker also comes equipped with a temperature gauge, adjustable dampers and a water pan. In order to ignite the coals, this smoker comes with a starter chimney and a fire grate. Order the Dyna-Glo Signature Series DGSS 1382 VCSD Heavy-Duty Vertical Offset Charcoal Smoker and Grill to deliver delicious meals to your family. It has a maximum temperature of about 375 degrees. It also has a complete cooking grate that allows for smoking or grilling. It has a large cooking capacity and allows for indirect cooking with ample space between the firebox and the cooking grate. This offset smoker can hold about 26 burgers or 8 turkeys. Number 2. Royal Gourmet Offset Smoker. The Royal Gourmet Offset Smoker is ideal for preparing your favorite meats and vegetables slowly over charcoal and out of the weather. The large cooking area of 811 square inches with large casters make this grill ideal for larger gatherings. Its removable grease pan makes scooping up grease for disposal easy. Features large cooking area of 811 square inches with large casters for easy portability. Heavy-duty caster construction for years of use. Removable grease drip pan for easy cleaning. Weight: 136 lbs. It has an easy access firebox for adding charcoal or wood for smoking. The offset smoker is equipped with a grease tray and door that is designed to control smoke, heat and odor. This portable smoker adds to the fun of camping, tailgating, taking the kids fishing, and backyard barbecues. Number 1. Char-Broil Offset Smoker. The Char-Broil American Gourmet Offset Smoker is designed for the do-it-yourselfer with a smaller family or an aspiring pitmaster who wants to try his or her hand at smoking foods at home. Available in a variety of colors and models, the Char-Broil offset smoker works best for those who want to smoke foods like jerkies, meatballs, salmon and pulled pork. The charcoal chamber sits on one end of the cooker, while the other end has a water pan that helps keep meat and veggies moist and delicious. With 467 sq.in. of cooking space, the smoker offers plenty of space for smoking enough food to feed a small army. The door thermometer gives you an accurate reading of the internal temperature of the smoker, letting you know when your food is done. The built-in thermometer lets you monitor the temperature of your meat and veggies, so you can pull them off the grill when they are at the perfect temperature. The offset firebox design lets smoke circulate throughout the grill, and the stainless steel smoker box allows you to heat other foods too. It's the only smoker you'll ever need to add to your outdoor grill setup. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe this channel to get the latest product reviews video from the channel.